Alright then, loons and quines, how's it going today? I'm going to do a cover of one of my favourite songs. Are you ready for a scene? It's pretty good. You'll all understand, you'll all get it. It's bloody brilliant. You ready? Here we go. This is Cascada, evocated dunce floor. Oh aye, let's fucking do this! Music, let's get out on the floor. I like to move it, come and give me some more. We get physical, out of control. There's people watching me, I never miss a beat. Till the night, kill the lights, feel it under your skin. Feeling's like, keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Can't stop, cause it feels like an overdose. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, the beat is killing me. The DJ and the music take me underground. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. It's the DJ and burn this place right to the ground. Making some overload. Temperature's rising, I'm about to explode. See, I'm intoxicated, take the show. It's got me hypnotized. Money step aside. Let the night kill the light. Feel it under your skin. Keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Get up, you can't stop, cause it feels like an overdose. Fucking overdose, man, fucking overdose. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. It goes on DJ, let the music take me underground. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. It goes on DJ, man, this place right to the ground. You pull this pop up, I'm going to sing it anyway. Come on, Black Idea. I said Black Idea.
Now this is back on a brand new track. Got everybody in the club going mad. So everybody in the back, get your back up on the wall and just shake that thing.
Go crazy, go lazy, yo baby, let me see you like that thing.
Drop it down low, low. Let me see you take it to the dance. No, no. Everybody in the
I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. Hey dogs and DJ, let the music take me underground. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. Hey dogs and DJ, let the music take me underground. Fuck you in the dunce floor. I'm infected by the sound. Stop, this beat is killing me. Hey dogs and DJ, let the music take me underground. Aye. Thanks for that. That's going to be on my new album. It's going to be called Caramel Biscuit Bar. It features lots of covers. I'm going to do a cover of Justin Timberlake, Sexy Back. Maybe Pink Raise Your Glass as well, but I'm not quite sure. Thank you very much for listening. And I'll catch you another day.